shit. Oh, hold on, let me call 911.
Jesus. It's hold on. BYWJ124. He just kept driving.
Yeah. Police and maybe ambulance? We are on Eglinton going eastbound, approaching Don Mills.
Drunk driver.
I think it's a drunk driver. The guy was swerving all over the road, went off onto the curb, smashed through a sign, went back onto the road, and he's driving at like 80 kilometers an hour, going in between lanes.
BYWJ124.
He went off the road. He's about to smash into another car! Oh my god! Oh my god, right at the corner of Don Mills and Eglinton. You gotta get ambulance here right away.
You okay?
Are closer at the center of power, capital, than far.
Being forced to stand for 2 hours on a train, even when she asked people for help, they all did nothing. Okay, I mean, she was clearly pregnant. It wasn't one of these. She was heavily pregnant, and everybody ignored her. Now I know you would offer up a seat, but what does this say about our society today? When you see someone on a train, there is someone on a train who is heavily pregnant and uncomfortable, and she's just ignored. Text 81333, start your text 3CR. And then this story of this lady, Sarah Kine on 90s Loose Women, who said yesterday that she's happily married.